Hey, hello friends. Welcome to my channel SAP SD and ABAP League Support. Okay, so we are started migrating to or moving to SAP S4HANA slowly, and we know that there are several T codes has been replaced. For example, if you take about that customer master, vendor master T codes, XD01, VD01, VD02, XD02, these and all moved to BP transaction codes, right? Like this in several areas, not only SAP SD, in several areas in SAP, so many T codes has been replaced, right? If you want to see what are the T codes that has been replaced in SAP S4HANA means there is one table available that is PRGN underscore CORR2. Okay, so either we can go to SE16N or we can go to SC11. We can use either of this T code or we can use SC16 as well, and we can enter the table. So, but let me go to SC16N, and this is the program PRGN underscore CORR2. So here, if we execute as it is without entering any release, SAP release, okay? If I execute, I am getting 1169 entries are there. It means every release, so there are some T codes are getting introduced, right? But let's focus on the SAP S4HANA time. What T code has been replaced by which? Okay, that is simple. So let's enter that SAP S4HANA release, that is 751. And if I now execute, I will see all the T codes. If see this is that old T code, and this is new T code. Okay, if you see when I enter CK11, I'm getting error saying that function is not available. Okay, so let me try with other T code, that is CK41. Same thing I am getting, and like this we have several T codes are there, right? If I scroll down and we see some T codes relevant to MIGO MB01. Let me enter MB01. You see, it is saying that MB01 is an obsolete exit. Instead of that, we should use the T code MIGO. Okay, like this, we have several T codes are available here. And if I go back and enter that new T code as BP, if I execute now, I can see that which and all old T code replaced with BP now. I have entered the BP as a input value in the field T underscore T code and execute. You see, this has been replaced by 53 T codes. For example, if I try to access FD01, you see it's directly redirecting to BP only. In some T codes, it will say that it's obsolete and it will exit automatically. But this T code like FB01 or XD02 something, it will say that it is obsolete and it will automatically redirect to that new T code. That's the advantage here. But I don't know why for other T codes redirection not happening. This happening for this BP and some other T codes, but few other T codes what we tested now, we don't see that it's redirecting automatically. I don't know the reason. Okay, so like this, we have several T codes are available now. Okay, it is loading for a long time. So okay, so fine. Again, I will enter MAP1. Okay, okay. So like this, we have several T codes are there, which is redirected to other new T codes. Fine. And if we want to understand here, you can see several T codes are there, and you see MAP1, MAP2, MAP3, MK01, MK19, V plus 21. Suppose assume that if we don't know the purpose of this T code, then what we can do? Just copy all the T code. Then let's open another table, that is TSTCT. In the TSTCT table, enter the language as English EN and add the T code and execute. So in English language, for every T code, we are getting the description for that T code. So this way, this way, we can understand the intention or purpose of the T code. If we know, well and good. If we don't know, this is the one alternative way which we can use to get the description for that T codes. Okay. So remember this table PRGN underscore CORR2. I come across this table in Google and I thought that I would like to share it with you guys, and please use it whenever required in your case as well. Thank you, friends. That's it for this video. We can catch up in the next video. Bye for now.